The Nano Banana for video is here. It's called Gemini Omni. I'm Sammy, and I work on the Gemini Omni team. You can take your own videos and alter the world however you want. This started as a video of someone just drawing a circle, and then Omni can transform it into this. You can change specific things or change everything. Your video can become something straight from your imagination. Here's a video that my friend took. He's just touching the mirror, and we can use Omni to reimagine what happens next. Edit the action, change the style, or transform yourself into something new. You can also edit with language over multiple turns. You can take this video of a violinist and change the environment, make the violin invisible, or change the camera angle. I can give Omni a drawing with visual instructions, and it knows how to incorporate them into a full video. Because Omni is built with Gemini's world knowledge, Omni can just do cool things, like generate an object for each letter of the alphabet. Previous models really struggled with this. These are just a few things you can do with Omni. Try it out today.
Right now, I'm the one, I made up my mind. I got up to run to the furthest sign. Check my shoes, I've been gone for my chucking on, now the rubber's gone. Like a wrecking ball. Busting through like a wrecking ball. Bang, bang, boom, boom. Chicka boom, chicka boom. Bang, bang, boom, boom. I'm coming through, I'm coming through. Bang, bang, boom, boom. Chicka boom, chicka boom. Bang, bang, boom, boom. I'm coming through.
I'm Amy and I work on the Gemini Omni team. Here are a few ways you can get creative with it. First up, here's a video of me biking. I used Omni to put my own spin on it. I transformed it into this, and this, and this. It's super cool to see how the model maintains the consistency of my original video, even while playing around with varied prompts. Another interesting part of the model is that it can understand the video you're uploading and react to the direction you're giving it. For example, here's a fun skateboarding clip. I can use Omni to add visual effects, and the model understands where and when to place them. I uploaded the clip, asked Omni to add effects whenever the skateboarder does a trick, and the model understood when and where to place those effects without me needing to be specific. That's Gemini's reasoning capability in action. Finally, let me show you how the model understands physics. We took this video of a hand moving around and asked Omni to add an orb. Here's what we got. What I love about this video is that you can see the reflection of the window and the realistic way that the light interacts with the glass while the hand moves. It's a great showcase of Gemini Omni's understanding of real-world physics and motion. So that's Gemini Omni. How will you reimagine your videos? Tell us in the comments below.